Hi guys, welcome to Ebony Multiventure series. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you how I make this bridal gele on myself. Let's get into the video. On so I'll be securing the edges of the gele on a straight line. I'm trying to have a straight line on the gele. And after I'm done with that, I'll be placing the gele on my head on a ratio of 60-40. We have the longer hand, which is 60, and the shorter hand, which is 40. So I'll be pleating the edges of the gele. At least I will secure 5 to 4 pleats on the edges of the gele. I'm using the tip of my finger to secure the edges. You can use any ideas that work for you. After I'm done securing, I'll be knitting the pleats to have a good pleat and knit pleat. You have to be much aware that your pleat has to come out neat. That's the essence of you on yourself. Like, your pleat has to come out neat. That's what brings out the beauty of the gele. After I'm done, I'll be folding from the back, and I have the 60 and I have the 40. I'm still trying to knit the pleats that I put in here. So I'll be bringing the shorter hand first. I'll be bringing it up and secure the pleat as well. I have about 6 pleats here. You have to be careful while doing this too. I'm still trying to secure the pleats till I get to the edge of the gele. So while I'm done with the pleating, I will try and knit these two to have an equal knitting with the one I did earlier. It has to come out neat. So I'll be arranging the 6 pleats that I pleated. After I'm done pleating, I'll be securing it at the back with a wig pin, not office pin. It's longer than office pin and it's bigger than office pin. So after I've secured it at the back, I'll be bringing the longer hand to on top of the shorter hand. and I'll be folding the edges. I'm trying to bring everything to the front, not to fold it, and I'll be folding the edges of this longer hand to the shorter hand I pinned down earlier at the back. Not all the edges, I only fold about 50% of the edges. Not to have too tight. So after I'm done, I'll start pleating till I get to the edge of the gele. It's the work of the hand. You have to pleat to the edge of the gele. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do please. And if you are a return subscriber to this channel, thank you for staying tuned and thank you for coming back to this channel. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. There's a lot of stuff to learn here. There's a lot of stuff to gain, and there's a lot of stuff to talk about. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for coming back. So I'm still trying to secure the pleats till I get to the edge of the gele. You have to be careful while doing this, but because I've secured the back already, it's not really difficult with this step, and you can still get a neat split with this. The only difference is just that you won't have a pleat to the edge of the gele, but you can still get a neat split with this. So I will continue securing till I complete my pleats. Just learn that while you are doing that, you have to be using your hand to hold while pleating. Hold and secure. Hold, then pleat. Hold, then pleat. And they say practice makes perfect. If you want to be perfect in this, I'm not perfect, but if you want to be perfect in this, you have to keep practicing. Before you could tie a gele on yourself, it means you've over practiced a lot. So you have to keep on practicing at your own leisure time. So after I'm done pleating, which I'm done, I'll be bringing the edges higher. Like, it depends on the height of the gele you want. I'm trying to make this gele go higher than what I pleated. That's why I don't fold all the edge of the gele, because this is still coming out. So I'm trying to go, it depends on the height you want. If I want a really high length, I can still make it go higher than this. So I'll be securing the remaining edges to tie at the back. I'm done, so I'll be arranging the pleats again from one end to the other end and make it go a little bit higher. I don't really want much higher gele, but if you want something higher, you have to do that before you tie the remaining gele. So this is what I have after all the whole paparazzi, and I'll be shifting it to the back a little. The beauty of gele is to shift it back a little. So this is what we have. Thank you for watching.